Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Pydroid 3 and your project files. First, install Pydroid 3 and grant storage permissions so you can read and write notebooks. Next, open Pydroid's pip tool and install Jupyter Notebook and Tornado. These provide the server and UI. Once done, place your IPIN into Pydroid 3/projects or create a new notebook file there. This gets you to the first actionable state, a ready app, required packages, and your notebook file in the correct folder. Now you launch Jupyter locally from the Pydroid terminal. You navigate into /SD card /Pydroid 3/projects or wherever you saved the notebook. Change directory using CD. Then run Python m notebook no browser IP equals 127, 0, 0. 1 port equals 8888 to start the server without attempting a desktop browser. The terminal prints a token and a local URL. Copy the full token URL or note. Finally, open the notebook in your Android browser by pasting the token URL or navigating to http://127, 0, 0, 1 8888 and entering the token when prompted. You can use Pydroid's internal browser or Chrome. Make sure apps are allowed to use localhost or loopback. When your notebook loads, run cells as normal. If something fails, restart the server and retry. Make sure no other app uses port 8888. And if token or package errors persist, reinstall Jupyter and Tornado via pip to resolve dependency conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.